PowerTextor is an online texting service for sending bulk SMS messages to open house buyers and real estate investors. Target a group of leads with bulk text messaging and start a one-on-one conversation to gain more clients and sell more properties. Create multiple campaigns with date, time, and location details, and associate the contacts and groups who should receive the campaign messages. The text messages can be sent instantly or scheduled at different times, so you can automate bulk messages with just a few clicks. Text property location links to interested clients, registration links to get attendees for open house events, and reminders to drive leads and potential buyers. PowerTextor offers an intuitive onboarding process, so you can easily set up your account and move on to the important stuff, setting up campaigns and scheduling messages. To register, visit PowerTextor.com and navigate to the pricing page. Select a plan of your choice and click Get Started. Create an account and subscribe. Next, choose your unique PowerTextor phone number. On login, you will see the PowerTextor homepage dashboard. To set up a real estate campaign for scheduling appointments with investors and following up with open house leads, first set up contacts in the system. You can bulk import lead lists, such as open house event attendees, with an assigned group, or manually create the contacts and add them to relevant groups with first name, last name, and phone number. Next, click on Events in the navigation pane. Then click New from the event dashboard. Enter the campaign name, date, location, and time. Now select the contacts and contact groups who should receive the texts of your real estate campaign. Click Save. The campaign will now show in the calendar and list view on the main event dashboard. Schedule multiple MMS or SMS with images of the property, links to your open house registration, survey forms, and much more. Open the campaign event, click the New Reminder button, and enter the text message in the text message field, and select Unlimited contacts and groups who should receive your text message. Now set different reminders such as 1 week before, 1 day before, or a custom period prior to the appointment date or open house event date. Then set the time. If you would like to send the same message multiple times, select more than one option. Click Save Reminder to schedule the text. Now you will see the list of scheduled messages in the Reminders section for the campaign. Schedule more reminders to complete the text campaign for your bulk audience. To stay in the know with your campaign statistics and performance metrics, review the real-time charts on different PowerTextor dashboards. Open the main event page to see the dates booked for your open house events and to schedule the reminders directly from there. With texting campaigns, you can build better relationships and grow engagement with open house attendees to convert more agentless prospects into active leads. Spread the word and accelerate your real estate business with efficient communication using the PowerTextor messaging features. For example, apply dynamic contact names to personalize the conversation, add emojis to engage your prospective buyers, and embed URLs in the text messages to enable easy registrations or appointment bookings with your leads. With PowerTextor, connect quickly, engage efficiently, and sell profitably. Set up your free trial and start texting today.